Hi guys, it's Michael here today, and I want to show you how to create a custom shutdown shortcut. Let's get started. First press to the key combination Windows plus S to open Windows Search. Type Notepad and click to open. In Notepad, type the following: shutdown space minus S space minus T space following the number of seconds you want your shutdown to be delayed. In my case, I will use 5 seconds. Click on File, Save As. Change the file name to delayed-shutdown.bat. Change the file type to All Files and click OK to save. Now let's open our shortcut to see if it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.